Welcome to another edition of JavaScript for You. This morning I wanted to take a look at form validation, meaning something like this. Let's double click on this and we'll get a little form. This is not very exciting. We've got a presumed comment entry form. You put your comment here and then your email address here and you submit. And what you want is if somebody types something in here and then doesn't put an email address, you want to have an alert that says you have to submit an email address. So something like that where there's some valuable piece of data on the form that just has to be filled in. You want to check for it. How do you accomplish that? Well, let's go take a look at the code. It's pretty simple. You come down here and we have our form, and on submit what we do is we have this JavaScript thing, return check form, and check form will return a Boolean. So it'll either say yes, it's okay, and then it can go on to whatever submission process it goes to, or not. Up here what we have is our check form function. So we have our document.forms we index into the comment form, which is the name I've given it, and the field email, which is the name of the field. So if you look down here, I've got a field called email. And I'm going to say if it's null or empty, pop up this alert and return false. If it's not null or empty, it's just going to return. It'll come back and then you can go along your merry way submitting. So things will work out fine in that case. So here, if I come down here and I type in, doesn't even have to be a valid email in this case, I just type that in. Now it's going to go along and now it brings up my email address because that's what this form is doing. It's popping up this action where it's going to generate an email comment form to go here. So that's what I'm doing. Nothing terribly exciting, but it brings up what I wanted. So really that's all there is to it. And again, the back-end functionality is probably more interesting than that, but just an example. So, that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with JavaScript.